Okay. So what were you saying? Like you're now came from a long vacation, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So yeah, I saw that like those of your posts on social medias, like on Facebook. Like you spend your vacation in a like wonderful way, right?
yeah. And I spent almost more than 1 month in my village
Oh, that's great.
after a long time.
Yeah. So how do you feel now? Does it did they help you to boost your productivity in coding eventually?
Uh, I think, yeah, it's now I'm feeling refreshed and better. My mind is clear. So I think maybe I now can think and focus better because of this vocation. So yeah, it can be helpful
Okay, so
for my productivity.
yeah, that's great. Like sometimes we need to take break from our work to increase the productivity eventually. It boosts our productivity, focusness, you know, and reduce the
Yeah,
burnout. No, we get burnout easily when we do some repetitive work for a long time. That is straight, right?
yeah, you are right.
Okay, so I saw you post last night maybe like you shared like two setup. One is like day and night. So you somehow created a cycle day to night. That means like you've been working seriously nowadays.
Yeah, you are right. I'm started working seriously because I did a long gap in my work,
Mm-hmm.
so I need to recover the gap.
Yeah, right. So how you're building right
The
now?
gap.
How are building? Anything special?
After I return, currently I'm actually fixing some serious bugs in our app.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so I'm fixing some, but after this fix, uh, then I will be building the web version of our app. Currently, we only have iOS and Android.
Mm-hmm.
So next, we are gonna build a web version for our app.
Okay, great. So now you're focusing on like fixing some sort of bugs, uh, and also working with the web version of your iOS and Android application. Yeah, that's great. So is it published yet on Apple Store or Google Play Store?
Yeah, it's already on the App Play Store. You can install it, but uh, it's need more improvements, more development. So we are still adding some features, and it's not actually complete, I guess. It needs some other features. So yeah, we're continuously trying to improve it.
Okay, so you are the like you are one of the developers working with the application, right? Continuously improving the app for the users, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. So yeah, I think you shared with me about the
Yeah,
application. Like last time we were in the sea beach, like we were hanging around in this maybe in the evening time. So you say like it's kind of like this application Hello Talk.
yeah,
It's something like Hello Talk there. People can share their speaking or language, right? Language sharing application, right?
yeah. It's actually it's far away from Hello Talk,
Oh.
but we are going to this kind of this direction. But yeah, it's different. People need to book a session
Mm-hmm.
to talk.
Okay.
In Hello Talk, I think anyone can talk with anyone, but in our app, Kuno,
Mm-hmm.
you need to book a session to a person to talk with him.
Okay.
Then you can talk with him
Okay.
at that session.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
great. Like, but you may not know the in this application there is also an option. You can schedule a session to exchange language with
Okay.
another person, but it's not being commonly used on this platform among users. It's not that popular on this application. People usually come to voice rooms or live stream.
Okay. I didn't know that, but yeah, our current version is
Hmm.
similar to that.
Yeah, that's great. Like some people even don't know about HelloTalk. They'll install your application. Kuno, and you may include some sort of
Yeah, and
special feature that will attract
yeah,
more
they are going
people.
to add some AI features
Mm-hmm.
which will help the user to recommend to give some recommendation and will uh, try to be an assistant with the user.
Oh,
So we are going to add some AI feature. We are working with a big company uh,
mm-hmm.
who have a AI model
Oh,
which we're gonna use.
that's
So
great.
I think it will be great.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Like AI can change the game, overall, because now, we can see all over the world or everywhere you see the AI stuff. Like AI is more hyped than before. So you can see everywhere is AI. And so if you add AI here, like on your application there, then that might attract more users to install your application, like install Kuno app for language exchange or learning a new language. Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah, sure. So we want to implement AI, and also we want that there will be real person,
Hmm.
so user can real person, and also user can get the benefit of AI. So user
Okay,
can benefit from both.
that sounds great. Hey, number three, you're welcome. Do you want to join with
Hello,
us?
Mr.
Like,
Fahim.
yeah,
How are
hi.
you?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah. What about you?
I'm also Alhamdulillah. And what about you? Where are you from?
Me or number two? Who did you ask?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, you, Fahim.
Right now I'm living in Mymensing.
Yeah. So, why you are using this app?
Well, there's lots of reasons, but the reason changed to talk about something common in like something interesting for me. That's why you
Yeah,
switched to talking about like coding stuff, uh which suits with me better.
yeah. Do you have any idea about IELTS?
Yeah, some sort of ideas. Like there's some um like a splitted part. Like you have speaking, writing, and you have reading and listening taste.
Yeah.
And each
You have
module
much
you
idea
have
about it.
each module you have
Yeah,
a band, and then we'll get the
yeah.
but I gather some ideas about speaking. So there's three part one, two, and three. And for part ones
Three.
you'll have
Yeah,
some sort of like larger questions you
basic
have.
question.
Yep, basic. And then you'll have follow up with your answers. And then part three you have some others topic based or basic questions. Though I don't have that much of
Yeah,
knowledge about IELTS. I'm not practicing for IELTS right now. If I don't need IELTS, then I won't go for it.
yeah. But I'm an IELTS candidate, so I'm trying to using this app by purposing improve my English.
Okay, great. And but like it's
And you are gonna do IELTS exam, isn't that?
no, not really. Like if I need to take, then I'll sit for it. But otherwise, no.
What is your goal, Mr. Fahim? Future goal?
Future goals.
Yeah.
Uh, I'm a little bit confused about it, but hopefully I'll go. Um, I go for programming jobs, maybe. Not sure though right now.
Yeah,
Programming related jobs.
it is better. Will you stay in future in Bangladesh or outside of Bangladesh?
Uh, like this sort of like coding jobs or programming job, whatever we say. It has a great benefit. You can do it remotely. So
Yeah.
You can do
So you
it
can
from your
connect
home,
with
right?
all over the world.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why like I'm developing my speaking English. That's the one main reason for me to
That's the
speaking.
reason.
Yep. One
I
main
hear
So
reason.
that
actually,
you
you're
already started a
hold.
agency.
Agency. Yeah,
Uh,
this kind of things, just for experience and leading, how to manage a. So I would like to go in a leading position like project manager or lead developer. So that's why like, I kind of practicing creating small team, managing project,
okay,
leading them. That's why it's kind of like experience gathering before I end up finish my undergraduation.
that's great.
Yeah, that's what like for just for learning purpose and also like developing some connections with people through LinkedIn. I got one uh, someone from Australia, like he's founding a like AI based something like IP, intellectual property management, these sort of things. Though he's not offering that much of money to develop something like some sort of product for him, but I'm just doing for for knowledge or for practice. And how can I manage
Yeah,
like
it
the
is great,
team?
brother.
How can I manage teams, the teamwork? That's the thing. And also like building a good connection with people from other countries.
That sounds good. You are really doing a job. Uh,
Yeah,
Already your speaking is very well, bro.
yeah, but
What is your
like,
level? What is your level at the moment? My dream is that
oh
I
really?
can
No, no, no,
speak
you'll
in
do
future like
better.
you.
You'll do better if you practice regularly. You're also doing better. You
Also,
need to
also your
practice.
pronunciation it outstanding. Like as a for foreign people, like
Oh,
your pronunciation.
it just like matter of practice, nothing more. Like if you do practice with, and I got the opportunity to talk with native like from someone from Australia, and that's why like though I'm not getting paid that much, but for the like learning a
Yo,
communication purpose, I'm taking that granted for me, just not taking that much of money just for communication and understanding and letting him understand my words, sentences, that stuff. Yep. And you may
yeah,
will be amazed by hearing from Shohel, and Shohel is also doing great, and he has good connection
no,
with
no, no. I'm not that much good.
but like he has good connection with people
everyone is
from
good.
United
If
States, right? He's working with them like for a long time. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
Yeah, I'm working, but we don't talk that much. We communicate by messaging through messaging.
yeah.
So yeah,
You're now doing great, and you're switching to like texting to doing short meetings, right?
yeah,
Yeah, that's like you're improving a lot. That's great. So Shoel, can I ask you something about your work?
yeah. Of course.
Okay, so how much do you like work with other people, like teamwork stuff?
Actually, in my current company,
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get that much chance to work with
Mm-hmm.
a team.
Okay.
Maybe it's called a solo developer
Solo,
who work
yeah,
alone.
yeah.
Okay, so I am kind of solo developer. I didn't get that much chance to work as a team,
Oh, but
but I wish to work with a team.
yeah, but solo like as a solo developer, you also have the independence to do things independently, right? And do things like fast, very fast.
Yeah, I do some work by myself, but
Mm-hmm.
actually I have a um, how we can call him,
Okay.
Dimitri.
Oh, Dimitri,
He
yeah, as your
yeah,
advisor or a kind of like
yeah, yeah, something,
yeah, something like
yeah,
that, like
something like
advice.
that.
Mm-hmm.
So he advised, and um, um, uh, he tell me everything. What should I use, and what should I do.
Mm-hmm.
So he prioritize everything, and he tell me everything which I can do and which I should use and which I cannot use. So I follow him to. So I need to follow him to implement anything.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Kind of like he's mentoring and reviewing your code, also structuring and organize
Yeah,
your code. Yeah, that's great.
yeah, yeah.
That's great. So like Dimitri, I believe Dimitri also does other works, right?
Yeah, he also he said he also do some other works, some research and yeah, some.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, some research. Like he's still been doing, researching for his education, right? I think he's finished with his graduation, right? Your voice is too low now, Sohel. I can't hear you clearly. Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, now it's clear.
Yeah, he do some research for the company.
For his own company or for other company?
For the company, we both working. Kuno.
Oh, great. Yeah, like I believe you'll do better eventually. And if you have the enough money to marketing your product, you need to spend lots of money on marketing. Otherwise, you'll not
Yeah,
find that much of user.
yeah, you are right. But currently, they are not seems to focused on marketing
Hmm.
uh, because it's not featureful.
Yeah,
But eventually, I think they will start marketing.
yeah, that's great to hear. Yeah, like that's great. Like after completing all the product and testing with users, then you'll know what works best. Then you can market the good features.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you should welcome number three. Hey, Saiful.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. Seems like you're interested to the topic.
Yes, that's I'm hearing.
Ah, can you introduce yourself a little bit?
My name is Saiful. I'm just right now capital city of Dhaka, west part. It's named Khilkhet,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm studying. I'm also working some other company, broker company,
What company? Broker.
broker company. Yes, it's called
Broker.
buying house. It's some
Oh,
kind of broker.
okay,
Yes,
got it, got it. Oh, so do you have how do you get the interest about coding or something like that?
coding.
Yeah.
Uh, I'm understand. I'm here for learning purpose. I'm
Mm-hmm.
just here and listening some topics. Those people are talking other topics. I'm just come here and I try. I like to listen a lot. When I listen a lot,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not able to talk properly like you. You're a fluent speaker. I know, but
Really?
I'm come here for understand. How can I able to talk properly like a fluent people? American accent.
American accent. Oh, great. So you if you want to follow American accent, you have to watch them a lot. Like you can watch Vanessa
No,
and
I think it's necessary to understand how can I able to talk and learn a lots of vocabulary, learn a lots of topics,
oh,
vocabulary like you are talking this time. Then
huh.
when I able to
Mm-hmm.
talk properly, then I need to correct my accent. Otherwise, it's not worthy.
Yes, but like if you want to learn everything together, it's not gonna be feasible and possible. You have to progress little by little, and you have to practice a lot. You have to listen to Americans if you want to follow American accent. You have to mimic them, copy them, and shadowing. Like you have to follow the shadowing technique. When you listen to something, then you have to, you know, repeat after them the same word.
Yes, but this time I'm not able to talk properly because I started my own beer room sometimes, but I'm not able to maintain because the people are come here and give me some topics to talk
Hmm.
with me, but I have a lack of vocabulary. That's why I'm not able to consistently talk, and I'm stacking lots of time. That's
Okay.
I'm just hearing lots of people and understanding the vocabulary. How can people are able to talk?
Okay. Great. But never give up. You need to try a lot. We all. It's our second language. You know that. Like we all get stuck in some point whenever something new, whenever we encounter something new, we don't know how to express. Yeah, that happens with everyone.
Yes.
Don't need to feel low, you know, about it. Okay, so Joel, are you here?
Yeah, I can hear.
Okay, so I think you've been practicing a lot, like English.
Yeah, I'm trying to practice, trying to use
Mm-hmm.
Hello Talk episode and daily
Episode in, was
to
it?
improve
Okay.
the speaking. Yeah, episode and
Yeah, that's great. Episode in there, you got like 10 minutes with each person, right?
yeah, but recently I feels you that you said it's annoying that every time we meet new people and we need to introduce ourselves and we are just talking the same thing.
Thing, yeah.
So so
That's
recently I feel that.
yeah, like
So that's why I'm now trying to involve in Hello Talk.
yeah, right. Like you can make friends here. You can talk new stuff, with the person every day. Share new thing.
Yeah,
And if you like, you can select a new topic for
but
tomorrow.
yeah,
Then we can talk about it. Like if you're very much into English practicing, you can select topic. Then we can create a voice room every night after
yeah,
11
sure.
or whatever you prefer.
I'm ready for that.
Yeah, then take the lead. Take the lead and select topic every night for us and send us through our WhatsApp group, Tech
I think
Podcast.
one thing
Good.
I'm all the time thinking it's one thing.
Hmm.
It's nothing impossible in this world. When I able to give all the value those things I need to achieve, then it's happen. Otherwise not.
It
I'm
happens.
thinking
Yeah.
because happen means it's able to achieve.
Yeah. Okay. Like.
When you able to give all the things, all the requirement, those things you need to achieve, then you are finding this your success. And Shoel and also I am a beginner. Shoel is beginner. I am also beginner. I'm
No.
just starting
No, you
this
know
my
you
English
guys
journey
are
like
not
five
beginner.
six months.
You're not beginner, and she'll also not beginner.
No,
So
I'm beginner.
not
Right.
big. No, 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 guys. Don't feel like that. Like you're doing great. Yeah, everyone feels that. Uh, when you're judging yourself, you're thinking that you're not, like you're not doing well, and that means like you're not satisfied with your ability.
No, when people are say me you are not able to talk it properly, I feel courage and motivation. And sometimes I'm regretting. I need to make a lots of practice. Then I'm able to talk like them like this.
Yeah, I'll do it. Like practice regularly. Okay, like we switched to like English. Lots more about English, but we were talking about our working, coding stuff, programming related things. So yeah, I believe Kuno will do better in the future if they can properly integrate AI in a different way. Not like you can see already ChatGPT has a great feature to speak with, to practice with all sort of stuff, and it has some great features to change voice mode, and there's some mode like standards and advanced mode. So if you switch to advanced mode, the for the advanced version is more advanced. Like it's kind of like human you are talking. You cannot, like, it's kind of real. So you
Do
know,
you have the advanced version? Did you subscribe?
it has some free time, free things. I don't know, like it gave me 10 minutes free to practice. Then I checked that,
Okay.
and like it amazed me. It was really like I'm talking with a real women. It sounds like
Yeah, I also tried, and it's really great. But actually, I don't know why. On my phone, it's lags. It's hang my phone when I
Mhm,
enter the voice uh, room or voice feature.
mhm.
It's do not work properly on my phone. I don't know. Maybe my phone is not capable for the voice feature.
Oh really? But when last time I tried, it was like perfect. It was perfect, and yeah. So you have to think about it as well. People can practice with ChatGPT for free most of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's lots of competitor, but the way how you introduce to people, how do you market to people, that matters the most. You know.
Yeah, and that's why they are not only focusing on AI, they also keeping human touch.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so people can yeah, use the both
Mm-hmm.
and get benefit from the both.
Yeah, human touch like experience, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like they can see an avatar like that or a real human talking, something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, in our app, maybe there will be teachers
Mm-hmm.
who is a professional teacher
Okay.
who will teach others. Yeah, so people can teach, yeah, learn from the teacher.
No, great. That's great. Like directly from teacher. That's great. Yeah, language learning app is getting.
For every language, there will be professional human teacher,
Mm-hmm.
so people will be able to learn from them directly.
Okay, that's great. But I believe the way how like how the world is changing in a way, the people not gonna learn other language like except English, except English, cause like everyone like from all over the world they're learning English and getting familiar with the English, cause it depends because of all the technologies, that everything is in English. So
But
if you wanna
recently,
go,
I saw a video
uh huh,
uh, of a Bangladeshi man who
mm-hmm.
live in China
Okay,
for his study.
mm-hmm.
So he make a video that in 2025,
Mm-hmm.
second language only. Knowing a second language is not enough. You need to know a
Mm-hmm.
third language
No,
because
okay, because because
because
of
the
what?
reason that
Mm-hmm.
in Western country,
Mm-hmm.
um, also there is a limited job. So people also trying to go like Korea,
China.
Japan,
Mm-hmm.
China. Yeah. So if you know their language, it will benefit you to work there better.
Yeah, that's right.
So he
Like
was suggesting, yeah.
that's right. But they're also learning English, like from South Korean, you know, South Korea, China, Japan. They're also learning English, and sometimes they also use English in their work. But if you wanna work in their country, you definitely need to know, their mother tongue, right? It's true for our country as well. Like
Yeah, so
if
he
some
said
foreigner.
that
Mhm,
everyone is trying to
mhm,
learn English and go to the Western country. But one day, maybe also in America or in Western countries, maybe there will be a short job. Uh, so then people will go to China or other countries for work. So that's why we also need to learn other
mhm.
language. So it was his reason.
Okay, but how the technology is evolving, we are getting lots of new stuff, cool stuff. So it's getting to real time, like live, translation of your word. So like you're saying the things in English, but it's directly get translated like live, translated into
Yeah, yeah.
Chinese.
I also watch another video which claims that even we don't says that don't waste your time for learning languages,
Hmm.
even learning English, because in the future we will have many devices
Yes.
uh, which we maybe can wire in our ear,
Hmm.
and we can easily communicate with our native language to others,
Right.
which will live translate.
Yeah, like something on our mouth and some things in our technology in our ear. So with that combination, we'll get the live transcript
Yeah, I
translation.
already saw some
Hmm.
device
Hmm.
like earbuds,
Hmm.
which you can wear and another person can wear, and they can communicate their own language, and it will be translated to each other to their own language.
Yeah, it sounds interesting and not surprising, because we saw already. sort of cool stuff happening like last year. And in 2025, we'll see a lot more new stuff. Like what
Yeah,
about
I'm also
GPT
sure.
5 and GPT 6? Can you imagine what will be GPT 6.0? Chat GPT
Oh,
6.0.
okay. Let me share you an interesting thing. Actually, recently I'm going to buy
Mhm.
Cursor. I'm
Uh-huh.
going to buy subscription
Okay.
to Cursor. AI code editor.
Yeah, I have some idea
It's
about it.
really popular and doing really great.
Yes.
So my company will pay me for that. Dimitri already using it. I'm also going to uh, subscribe it.
Yeah, that's going to be great stuff. And but not. Is there any education plan for Cursor? Then I can try it for free.
Yeah, you can try it for free.
Is there any option for
Yeah,
educ?
yeah. I'm already using it. It has been 1 month. I'm using
Oh,
it for free. Yeah,
okay.
and
How's your experience? Like, it's giving you like real time suggestion all the time, right? Auto
yeah, it's
completion.
really great.
Mm-hmm.
It's really great. It's can detect your code base,
Mm-hmm.
and it will if you ask it to do something, it will do it according to your uh, writing pattern and according to your code. Yeah, it can search through your code base and it can change any files where it's needed. Like you ask it to made a change, but
Mm-hmm.
which also required to change some other files, it
Mm-hmm.
will do the change to all of the files
Okay.
automatically. And yeah, like this it has a lot of good things. And actually it's uh, help us uh, uh, to uh, to make things quicker, to save our times.
Yeah,
It
that's
help us to save a lot of time.
yeah, that's great. I think BS Code is also going in the same way. They are also trying to copy Cursor. Yeah.
They already tried. They recently
Mm-hmm.
Copilot also released their free version. You maybe don't know about it, but yeah. And Theo released a video comparing with Cursor.
Mm-hmm.
It is really still it is really worse.
Yes.
Copilot is not good. Copilot already using other AI models like Cloud Sonnet, but
Yeah.
it is still very worse. I'm going to share you the link. You can watch this video.
I
I
think
just
I
sent.
saw the video. Yeah, it's been using like Cloud. But I have free subscription of, GitHub Copilot, all the models of GitHub Copilot for free. That's why I don't like to lose them. But if there is any plan in Cursor, I think, they'll definitely try to copy all the features from Cursor one day. And they'll be better than Cursor. It will be better than Cursor.
Yeah, they already copied some, but comparing to Cursor is giving us a better result. But Copilot is not doing not good. If you ask it something, the output is not. Most of the time, the output does not work. But on the other hand, if you ask something to do in Cursor,
Hmm.
most of the time the output will work. You do not need to review or check the code,
Okay.
the changes.
Oh, that's great. So, yeah, yeah, I'll try it. I'll give it a try. I'll check it. And send me the link. I'll
Yeah,
also watch
if
the
you
video.
watch this video full,
Hmm.
then you will see that Theo is compared both, and Copilot, the similar feature,
Hmm.
Theo compared to in the both, but uh, Cursor was giving output that just work, but
Hello,
Copilot
hello,
was
hello.
giving some output which is not work.
Okay. Hey, hello, number three.
Hello,
What's your full name? Ah,
My full name is Abid Hassan Shahan. My nickname is Shahan. You can call me Shahan.
okay, Shahan. Bro, please talk with me. Yeah, bro, say whatever you want.
Actually, I want to share my types of topic with you. So you can ask me any question. because I'm a beginner, so you can ask me simple question.
Like we are just talking about programming stuff. Do you have
Okay,
anything
okay, okay.
about programming or coding?
Actually, about the programming.
Yeah.
Actually, brother, I have not any personal idea about programming.
Okay. I don't know why my voice is repeating.
What's your name? Your name is Fahim.
Yes. My name is Fahim. And okay, Shahan. All right,
Yes.
Shahan. So yeah, like we have been talking for a long time, so I think we need to wrap up everything for tonight, and we'll create our voice room again from tomorrow.
Yes, yes, okay.
Okay, so good night, everyone.
Okay, good night too.
Have a nice dream.
So you're going to end this voice room?
Yeah, cause it's going to 12 soon.
Sure.
I need to sleep, and I have to wake up early in the morning, cause
Shuhan
Allah help
Islam, you
us.
can.
Okay, bye bye, guys.
Bye.